Hello, welcome to People Toy, where we make the reality our playground. On this channel, you will find every Friday at 7 p.m. the best reviews of the latest gadgets available on the world. In today's video, we'll review the best home workout equipment in 2020. If this is your kind of thing, and you think there's no age to have fun and play with your toys, you're in the right place. Before we start the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and also the notification bell to be notified every time we upload a new video. Just make yourself comfortable cause it's time to play. We'll start this video reviewing the Bowflex 840 Kettlebell. This home gym equipment is all you need to have a full body workout at home and have that strength and figure you've always wanted. This kettlebell is not the usual training gadget we are used. With a simple turn on the bristle you can adjust up to 6 different weights, efficiently managing to change the weight from 8 to 40 pounds depending on your physical condition or the type of workout you are doing. With this kettlebell, you can achieve a wide variety of full-body exercises that can tone all muscles from a full arm and leg workout, as well as your core. The dynamic workout can improve your stability. So if you are looking to be in better shape for your health or your kids, whatever the reason, the Bowflex's Kettlebell SelectTech 840 is the right option for you. You don't need previous experience to get better health using this kettlebell. If you're new with home fitness, just need to adjust the weights in this home workout equipment for beginners to do cardiovascular workouts that will help you generate muscle and burn fat at the same time. If what you are looking for is to improve your overall health, with the Kettlebell SelectTech 840, you will achieve it in a short time. It will help to make you a better balance with the variety of dynamic workouts that can be done, and improve your confidence at levels you've never experienced. If you already decide on the Bowflex 840 Kettlebell, I leave you the link in the comment section below. Number 2. Manduka PRO Yoga Mat. Nowadays Manduka is synonymous with quality standards worldwide. They earn it by having the best product on the market. Practicing yoga at home on the Manduka PRO mat is like floating. You'll don't even be able to feel the ground. It raises your yoga practice to a sensory level you've never experienced before. It is a product that will probably last for life due to its super resistant but flexible material at the same time. It can be compressed and cleaned very easily. Developed by the patented technology of the Manduka, which reduces the body odor that is usually associated with the mats of other brands of yoga. As if that weren't enough, this mat gets better the more time passes because the foam conforms to your yoga positions without wearing down the grip. This mat is a sustainable product like all Manduka brand, but especially with Manduka PRO. Its manufacturing plant has zero emission in its processing. If you like the Manduka PRO Yoga Mat, don't forget to like this video too. Third, full portable home gym BodyBoss 2.0. All of us have felt that sense of well-being feeling when we exercise. Whether for lack of time or convenience, in most cases, exercise becomes our last priority during the day. If you want to leave those days behind, BodyBoss 2.0 is for you. This home gym equipment is something anyone could use regardless of their fitness level. With its variety of features, you can quickly adjust the difficulty of the base to the intensity you want in your training by adjusting or releasing bands. The straps are made of double padded for comfort when training and are sweat resistant. BodyBoss 2.0 can withstand hundreds of pounds of strength, which makes it the perfect team for any member of your family. At the bottom, it has non-slips to make its use safe on any surface. Achieve all your fitness goals and achieve an excellent body bringing the gym at home. To know more about this amazing gadget and so much more, visit us on peopletoys.com. The next in this list is the DoubleFlex Total Body Gym Oyo Fitness. Tested on the International Space Station, the technology created by Oyo Fitness was chosen by NASA to be the strength training equipment for astronauts. The results prove the efficiency in lean muscle gain that DoubleFlex provides. Flex endurance feels like weight-free resistance, so it reduces joint tension. It's a home workout equipment for small space, lightweight and portable to carry even on space rockets, so we don't think you're having trouble having this at home. The DoubleFlex allows to strengthen and sculpt both sides of muscle groups during a single movement so that it will enable them to build a symmetrical body in a short time. By achieving the balance in the proportion of your muscles, you will be able to anticipate typical gym injuries. If you already decide on the DoubleFlex Total Body Gym Oyo Fitness, I leave you the link in the comment section below. 5th. TRX Pro Suspension Training Kit. TRX Resistant Training is world-renowned for its military use for its effectiveness in developing lean muscle and strength. It is not for nothing that the first to use this technology were the US Navy SEAL. Getting home workout equipment kit will help you get fast, professional results, achieving a strong and defined core, as well as a healthy and flexible body. TRX bands are easy home gym equipment that can be used in almost any environment of the house or outdoors. It has several storage bag options to hang it anywhere easily. Over the years, TRX improves the technology of its products, as well as the development of modular training to achieve the highest performance in the shortest possible time. TRX modular workouts are intense 15 and 30-minute sessions that fit any lifestyle. Just use your tablet or smartphone and follow the instructions included in the kit. This home resistance training equipment is for people who want to get amazing results in a short time, but without neglecting the convenience of being able to reach their goals everywhere. Train now and get that great shape you've always wanted. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to find more related videos and make your reality your playground. The next gadget is Theragun G3 therapy device. Leaving everything in training is the only way to reach your goals, but this can lead to very long and painful injury. This percussion therapy device that will quickly help you relieve your muscle aches by making your muscles ready for those long workouts you love so much. It is very portable so that you can benefit from its treatment anywhere. You can choose between the two available speeds. The standard treatment speed is 40 percussions per second and a lighter treatment speed of 29 per second, which is perfect when your muscle is very sore or tired, especially in those very painful and sensitive areas. The Theragun G3 is compatible with all professional accessories. It includes 6 types of shock head, as well as 4 types of positions to make customizable treatment option. It has 2 batteries that achieve up to 75 hours of continuous use. Sweat and lotions like oil can be easily cleaned thanks to foam construction, making it easy to disinfect for the following application. Ergonomic design allows gripping in many ways to make hard-to-reach areas easy to treat. If you are looking for a real rest and that your muscles are 100% in each training session, include the Theragun G3 on your daily basis. If you already decide on the Theragun G3, I leave you the link in the comment section below. 7. Smart Mirror Echelon Reflect. If you are one of those when is in the gym always looks the mirror while training, probably when you train alone at home, you will feel an existential emptiness. This high-tech home gym equipment will blow your mind. The Echelon Reflect Smart Mirror delivers a fitness experience you've never felt before. This mirror not only makes you look good but also allows you to train with world-class coaches in live or on-demand classes, taking your training to another level. While it's true that looking in the mirror may help perfect your technique, the truth is that many people only do so because they are happy to look thinner and toned. That's not saying that looking at your body's toning progresses is a bad thing. The big difference with this device is that you will be part of an international community that will encourage you to achieve all your goals. If you already decide on the Echelon Reflect, I leave you the link in the comment section below. It's time to review the last home workout gadget you must have in 2020. Samsung Gear Sports Smartwatch. This smartwatch contains extensive fitness features and many other ingenious tools. To get the most out of it, just pair it with your smartphone to access the synchronization of alarms, emails, calls, messages, schedule, notes, and so much more. Gear Sports design is thinking for people with an active lifestyle. From being waterproof with a special mode that can withstand up to 50 meters and can even withstand saltwater and also listen to music stored on the same device with the Spotify app, this watch is your best companion for your daily routines. Its usability is one of the most intuitive in the smartwatch market. It has a Super AMOLED HD full-color display which gives the option to customize depending on each user or the situation in which they are, and a large battery capacity up to 4 days in one charge. With a simple twist of the bezel and you will be able to browse among all the pre-installed applications, including the fitness program that Samsung offered. Additionally, it has hundreds of other compatible apps, including MyFitnessPal, Uber, or ESPN. The pre-installed fitness program gives you real-time tracking of calories, heart rate, steps, water intake, mapping times, and journeys with your built-in GPS, among an extensive list of etc. Giving you the big picture of what your progress is during the day and encouraging us to meet our goals. If you use the Gear Sport during training time with a Samsung Watch or TV, you can get more than 60 workouts available and compare our performance with other users worldwide. If you already decide on the Samsung Gear Sport, I leave you the link in the comment section description. Thank you to watch this video and don't forget to visit us on peopletoys.com.